In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Turo account. Now, whether you're eager to start listing your car or you're just looking to find the perfect rental for your next adventure, setting up your Turo account is the first step to get rolling. Let's walk through the process together, making it as seamless as possible. To start, you'll want to make your way to Turo's platform. You can do this by visiting Turo.com on your web browser. If you're more inclined on using your smartphone, no worries. Just head over to the App Store or Google Play and download the Turo app for convenience. Once you're on the homepage or you've opened up the app, look for the Sign Up or Get Started option. It should be prominently displayed, inviting you to begin your journey with Turo. This will guide you to the next step in creating your account. Now, you'll have a few choices on how to register. Turo is quite flexible, allowing you to sign up using your email and a password, or seamlessly connect through a Google account, Apple ID, or Facebook. Picking the method you're most comfortable with will make future logins a breeze. With your sign-up method chosen, it's time to enter your personal information. This will include your full name, an email address, and your date of birth. Remember, you need to be at least 18 years old, or in some areas 21. Pop in your phone number and create a strong, secure password to protect your account. Now comes a crucial part, verifying your identity. Turo requires you to confirm who you are before you can rent or list any vehicles. So you'll need to upload a clear photo of your driver's license. In some cases, you might also need to take a quick selfie to match your identity. Additionally, you might encounter a step for verifying your credit card, but this helps to further secure your transactions. Next up, you'll need to add a payment method. Enter the details of a credit or debit card, or if you prefer, link your PayPal account. This setup will facilitate rentals and handle any deposits, ensuring you're ready to make transactions when needed. Finally, let's complete your profile. Adding a profile photo is recommended as it personalizes your account. Don't forget to set your address or your preferred pickup location. This makes confirming bookings and facilitating smooth transactions all the easier. And there you have it. Your Turo account is ready, and you are all set to either browse for that car you've been dreaming of renting, or to list your own vehicle for other users to enjoy. Enjoy your Turo experience, and remember, there's an exciting road ahead.